Hi, welcome everyone, Chef Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to make homemade ciabatta. This is very easy recipe. So I'm going to teach you easy way. So if you guys like my video, if you can learn something, please don't forget to subscribe. Whatever you want, you can mention in your comment section. So I'm willing to give you all this reply. So let's see the ingredients. All-purpose flour 2 kilo, bread in flour 40 gram, salt 40 gram, dry yeast 60 gram, olive oil 300 milliliter, and iced cold water 1200 milliliter. 5 minutes we will mix slow speed. You have a question now why I didn't put olive oil. Olive oil we will add after 5 minutes. Let's start the mixing. You can see now how is the dough. So we are going to add now olive oil. We will mix again another 10 minutes. Now we have finished already 10 minutes. So I'm going to start the speed mix. This is my technique. Last 3 minutes I will mix very speed because I want to get nice bubble inside my ciabatta bread. I'm going to check how's my mixer. So you can see it's nice, elastic. So you can recognize now your mixing is finished. So we are going to take out now. Now I'm going to rest the dough. So I will use this tray. Easy for my recipe. We will keep almost 2 hours for fermentation. When you keep a long time, you will get nice sour taste and nice bubble inside your bread. So this one I will use easy for myself to divide the dough. You can see my dough is runny. Cover the dough with gentle. So let rest 2 hours. I will rest my dough in room temperature, so it will be give you nice flavor, nice taste. So you can see our ciabatta dough is ready. See, it's like how soft, it's like sponge. Now I'm going to show you how to divide the ciabatta dough. So this is the way. You need to dust the flour on the table because this dough is very runny and very sticky. So when you put the flour, it will be not stick with the table. So easy to handle for you. Now I'm going to turn my ciabatta dough. This is the reason why I use the flat tray. So easy to handle and easy to spread the dough on the table. Olive oil. You can see very easy to spread the dough on the table. When you put the flour, you can play. When you spread the dough on the table, keep fresh 10 minutes, 15 minutes. When it's rest and you will see a little bit proof, then you can start to divide. Now I'm going to cut my ciabatta, so I will just little bit flour on top. Not too much, very little. You can see now how I'm going to divide the dough. This is like a baby. See, you can see it's running, it's still running. You see, it's like a baby. So directly I'm going to bake. Two times steam, 220 Celsius and 12 minutes. You can see it's very fast coming fluffy. Wow, look at, so nice. My ciabatta bread is ready now. Let's see. Oh, wow. This is real original veg recipe. Follow and make, try it your home, your restaurant. This will make for you money. Looks it's very nice for a sandwich or panini. Wow.
Wow. So this is the one you make, chef?
Yeah, this is ciabatta.
Wow, ciabatta is so floppy, look like a yummy. Oh my god. Oh my god. See?
Okay, let's test.
This is no comment. No comment to say. Thanks so much. See? It's yummy, crispy and tasty. I'm enjoying. Eat and subscribe this channel and take the recipe from Hasanka, Chef Hasanka.